Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a sales order in Zoho CRM. Sales orders confirm a deal and outline the product details for customers. So, let's get started. Now the first step is to navigate to the sales orders module. And to do that, log into the Zoho CRM. And to do that, just go to CRM websites and enter your account credentials and log in. Now, after you do that, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. And from here, from the left hand menu, select sales order. If it's not visible here, go to settings right here for other models and select it from here. And it will be visible. Now, the second step is to create a new sales order. Click on new sales order, create a sales order here, and fill in the necessary details like customer name, and the order date and reference number. Now, after you finish all this information, I'm just filling them randomly. You're gonna have to fill in a lot of informations. After that, click on save and add products or services from your inventory along with the quantities and the pricing. Now the third step is to share the sales order. Save and share the sales order. Once all details are filled, click on save in the top right corner here and use the email option to send the sales order to your customer directly. Now I couldn't save it because I haven't filled in all the forms, but if you have filled all the forms, you'll be able to save it and send an email, etc. And there you have it. You've created a sales order in Zoho CRM. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.